Want to get the best exchange rate? Here's how to check it in Wise. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Now, tap Send Money. Select the currency you are sending and the currency you are receiving. Wise will instantly show you the live exchange rate and fees. Want updates without sending money? Go to the homepage of the Wise. Here, scroll down and you will find an option Get Exchange Rate Updates. Tap on it and here you will find any alerts or notification when the rate changes. You can even set a target rate and Wise will notify you when it's raised. If you need historical rates, check the exchange rate history for trends. If exchange rates are not updating, check your internet connection or try refreshing the app. What currencies do you use most in Wise? Let us know in the comments. Now you are always in control of your exchange rates. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.